In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your ChatGPT account to Canva, making your creative process even more seamless and efficient. Whether you're working on a project for work, school, or just for fun, having this integration can save you time and effort by allowing you to collaborate directly with your AI assistant. This setup will enable you to generate or refine elements of your design using AI's powerful language capabilities. Let's dive right in by heading over to your ChatGPT platform. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side of the interface. You should see a variety of menu options available, each serving a unique purpose. Our focus is on finding the GPTs section. Go ahead and click on it. This section essentially functions as a hub where you can connect and manage different AI applications and integrations. Now, after clicking the GPTs, you'll be greeted with a search bar or a list of available connections to choose from. What we are going to do next is search for Canva. Quickly type that into the search field. This simple action will display the Canva integration option available to you. Once you locate Canva in the list provided, click on Start Chat. This action will initiate the connection between your ChatGPT and Canva accounts. It's as easy as that. Congratulations, your ChatGPT is now connected to Canva. With this connection established, you can start leveraging AI to enhance your design projects by generating ideas, drafting text elements, or receiving guidance on various design aspects, all without leaving the comfort of whatever tool you're currently using. As you work with this setup, remember that the strength lies in how effortlessly it integrates AI's capabilities into your design workflows. You'll find it especially useful when you're stuck on finding the right words for a project, need an extra touch of creativity, or simply want to streamline the brainstorming process. This way, you can focus more on crafting and less on the nitty-gritty details. And there you have it. You've swiftly connected your ChatGPT to Canva, opening up a world of possibilities and enhancing your creative projects. So go ahead, explore the new ways this integration can benefit your work. Our objective today was not only to make your interaction with AI more seamless, but to also demonstrate how technology can be a collaborative tool in creativity. Thank you for joining me in this session, and I hope you find this connection as transformative for your projects as many already have. Happy creating!